thank you for joining me today. My name is Stacy, and I wanted to show you and give you my thoughts on my Fabfitfun Fall 2020 box. This is $50, and I will add up the total of these items, and I will put the total of the value right here. So first of all, there's a couple things. I am a yearly member of Fabfitfun, so this is, now I'm on my year mark, like this is the second fall box that I have received. And so far, every box I have been thrilled with, love it, great products. Even some, like when I was picking out that maybe so-so, still really liked it. And this box, to be honest, I was disappointed. And I'll tell you why. I know that they're changing up things to be more environmental friendly, which I applaud, I like, but for me, part of getting this box was not only trying the products, but also the presentation. So let me show you. So this is what the box looks like, and then when you open it, this is what it looked like, which, okay, that's fine. Before there was tissue paper with a little sticker. I still should have some pictures of my other Fabfitfun boxes. If I do, I will insert them here of when I open them. And I really did like the tissue paper, but it's like, okay, they're wanting to save the step because it's a tissue paper and a sticker. So, okay, you know, I can deal with having these instead of that. But then you open it up. Okay, let me take out the bag. But then this is how it looked. Like, just kind of thrown in there. So for me, before, you know, it had a nice cardboard thing, and then there was the paper, like shredded paper, like crinkly paper. So I had thought that that was still environmental friendly because it's paper and it's crinkled. So, but it looked really nice. To me, when I see this, I don't know if anybody else feels the same way, but when I see something like this, I feel like it just looks like it was thrown into a box. And it's just, you know, I know it's about the products, but it's also about the presentation. Let me know if you guys agree. But for me, presentation means a lot as well. And yeah, I feel like I was disappointed and just kind of like, when I opened it, because it's such a big box, and yeah, it just looks like everything is thrown in there. Kind of disappointed with that. I know that this is a new thing for them. I'm gonna go ahead and keep my subscription, see what happens with the winter box. But if they keep being like this, I mean, the stuff was okay, but yeah, I just was kind of underimpressed with this box, and the presentation, it means something to me. So I don't know. These boxes are really nice for storage. I use them for like extra scrapbook supplies or extra notebooks. You know, I just write on the side. Oh, and I will say, well, it's mostly this bag because it kind of has that chemical smell. But when I first opened this, the whole package, the whole box kind of had that chemical smell. Like when I first opened it, it's like, whoa, that's all I smelled. So this is $120 value. It is nylon. I don't know how you pronounce the bunion, so I'll just put it up there. So it's a nice tote. If you'll just see, I did a purse declutter, which I'll link up above. That I have a lot of bags that I don't really need another one, but the other items weren't really all that impressive to me. So, and you also get the magazine. The magazine this time is a little different too, because the other magazines are glossy and this feels like recycled paper, but that part doesn't bother me at all. Then the next item, it's mostly the presentation. I just can't get past it. I know, let it go, right? But I'm like a sucker for packaging on like eyeshadow palettes and makeup, so packaging and presentation. But I will quit harping on it. So the second thing is, this is the Volition Beauty Celery Green Cream. So I'm not gonna open it yet, but I have never heard of this brand or this type of product, Celery Green Cream. Here is what it looks like. So this is a 1 fluid ounce or 50 ml, and it is a $55 value. This oil-free moisturizer targets the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. And for that grouping you could get, I won't go through everything, but just to kind of give you an idea, if you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, you can customize it. You could have got a hidden pocket infinity scarf or a woven scarf with fringe, Dr. Dennis Gross, a perfecting and refining serum, or you could get a hair removal device. Number 3 is, this is the Natur sunglasses, blue light blocking glasses and brown tortoise, and this is a $45 value. Now usually I do wear glasses, I don't wear them on camera because I forgot to get the anti-glare the last time I got my glasses, and so all you would see is the reflection of the lighting. But my next pair, I'm going to not do that. And also, because of my age, I'm needing to get bifocals, but I'm a little hesitant to go to the eye doctor. Let me know down below with like everything going on. And I just really haven't gone out much. I mean, everywhere here is required to wear a mask, but let me know if you've gone to the eye doctor, because I'm just kind of like a little leery about it. That's off on a tangent. I need to get bifocals, but I'm a little hesitant to go to the eye doctor. So a lot of times when I'm on my computer, I end up having to take off my glasses to be able to see. So I don't know if, see, yeah, you can see the reflection of ring lights. Yeah, I don't know if these will be good or not, but I figured if not, I'm sure my mom or sister could use them. They kind of feel, are they crooked? No, I guess not. Okay. So yeah, I'm not, whoa, what the heck? Okay, that is weird. I've worn glasses since I was in 2nd grade, and it's like that does not want to bend at all. I don't want to break it, but I mean, I opened them, they were folded. Yeah, that's really, really stiff. Oh, I guess there it closes. It's just really stiff. So I don't know, that's weird. And for that grouping, you could have got either a Jenny Bird bracelet, a Beauty Bakery palette, or a necklace. What else? What is that? Or a mask, I think it is. Yeah, a multivitamin mask. So definitely different options. What? I did not realize the Jenny Bird stuff was so expensive. $115 for the pendant or $135 for the bracelet. I mean, I've heard of that, but whoa, I guess I should have tried to look a little bit harder. Maybe I would have got one of them, but I have so much jewelry. Is that even real? No. Wow. Okay. Next step, our next grouping is I got the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. So the celery cream is made in the US and cruelty-free. This is cruelty-free. It doesn't say where it's made that I can see. It does not contain sulfates or parabens, and it's also mineral oil free. So this is a whipped, oh, made in Italy, right on the front there. And so this value is $28. So not too bad. It is made with black winter truffle extract and sweet almond oil. This cleanser renews dull skin and helps maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. Next, we have, I'll be very interested to try this because, well, I need to try the hair Botox from my last box, but my hair is pretty dry right now. So this, I'm not even going to try to pronounce the brand, and I don't even know how you say that or how you spell it. This is Stress Reliever 100% Natural Hair Oil. And this is a $75 value. It says you give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. And let me tell you, my anxiety is high right now. So definitely need all the relaxation help I can get. So this is cruelty-free, made in the US. This is The Laundress. And I think I've seen this brand on Instagram or something. That sounded really familiar. This is a crease release, removes wrinkles. Here's what it looks like. This is $16 and you're supposed to just spray it and voila, the wrinkles are supposed to disappear. Cruelty-free, and this is made in the US as well. The next thing is, this is a sleep mist. So I've always been curious if those kind of, you know, sleep mist, spray it on your pillow and or sheets and help you relax, if those really help. So I thought, well, this is the perfect time to try it. Here's what that looks like. It is $22. Let me know if you've ever tried any of these sleep mist things. So this is formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water, which helps to create a tranquil sleep environment. So I think I'm going to try that tonight, actually. Then we have the last item look how cute this packaging is. It looks like a little milk carton. It's so cute. This is by the Beauty Crop, and it says, milk, shake it up. Shake bottle before use. This is Glow Milk, and this is a $19.99 value. So here is the bottle, and it's supposed to create a long-lasting lit from within look. So the other options were with that, because I didn't really need another highlighter, but the other options were a beauty pepper, I'm not sure how you say that, golden superfood shower gel, a pouch with a stripe, or this is at the bottom. So let me know down below if you got Fabfitfun and what you think of their new packaging and what you thought of this fall box. So the magazine, it has fall home decor tips, and then they usually have some recipes, and then they go through and usually do some of the products, how to style them, how to use them, exclusive offers, codes that you can use, and horoscopes, and then a word search. There is also a coupon here for a $10 off Hello Fresh with purchase. So I think I'd like to try them. Let me know if you have. And then this is, pass this on to a friend. And so it's a $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. So I have one code. So let me know down below if you would like to get this code for $15 off your first box, and I will email it to you. Just comment below with your email or Instagram. And then there's also a $45 credit for Bright Cellulars. This is, let's see, if you join and redeem your 45 credits to enjoy unique wines matched to your taste. And again, if you're interested in this, let me know down below that you would like this code. I don't really drink a lot of wine, so if you are interested, let me know and I will email you this code as well. So I'd love to know what your thoughts are down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope that if you haven't already, that you will hit that subscribe button so you can keep joining me here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I think that's about wrapping it up. So thanks for watching. Bye.